These are Texas Hunter feeders and protein feeders, gravity feeders, whatever you want to call them. All right, so I know this will go. These are good. I'm actually excited about this. This is cool. I've seen these on a lot of, not just ranches, but on people's lakes. So my idea is this, we're gonna use a couple of these for corn. So we got 2 400 pound, and we got 3 400 pound corn, and we got 3 1200 pound protein. But when the lake's done, my idea is I'm gonna have maybe 5 of these on my lake that are filled with little pellets for the bluegill to eat, like bluegill food. My goal is to build a big bass factory. And of course I want deer and elk, pigs, I want everything. Started. Probably a lot of people from the north that are watching this. I know for a fact there is, and they're probably wondering why we're putting protein out. They use wheat fields, soybean fields. What else they use? They use food plots.
You know, this is a cross timber area, so there's not a whole lot of farms. So once you start feeding corn or putting protein out, of course corn attracts, but protein really helps develop antler growth during your March, April, May, your tough times through the summer. So it don't take near as long for them to recover after rut, and they throw the pounds on, and then really your nutrients go straight to the horns once they're caught up on their protein and their minerals. So
I'm trying to grow, I want them massive, I want them thick, luscious, I want some mass. I didn't think you'd be able to hear them running back over there. You know what's nice about the whole corn feeder thing is it shoots that sumbitch far. Yeah. I could damn near stick it over there if I wanted to. Right. This shall be a good time.
one bag.
12 hundo pounds. I'm so excited. This is like the start of a new little deal. I actually got a little pamphlet thing I pulled out of my truck because I was interested. 50 feet. That has a directional air blower system that dispenses feed in a wedge pattern up to 50 feet. And it's varmint proof. Well, we figured that. I didn't know this. Oh, it's got legs. But this is like, if you were to put on your lake, you just put it on a platform.
Gotcha.
Just sit there, but see, we got legs. Damn, you gotta see the inside of this thing. Look at this. That's like really, really, really nice. I don't know, hey, you know the best part about this sumbitch is you don't need a platform to stand on to put shit in it.
Yeah.
Before we shoot 400 pounds of corn in there, we should probably see if it shoots that far. Stand back. It says
It's got to count down 5 seconds.
Perfect. I spoke to you. Wow. That shot. That was like 25 yards.
It fed in the timber over there.
I know. At least they'll draw them out, right?
No.
You like that or no?
No. Hell, I feel like I need to broadcast seed with it.
It might kill him.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Not even gonna give you some sort of like sales pitch because I'm not being paid to promote this or anything. I'm telling you guys, this thing right here. When I find something good, I'm gonna tell you that is scrumdiddlyumptious. I didn't even show you. Did I show you guys that we got a solar panel in the front? We got it set for 4 seconds. We got it set for 4 seconds, twice daily, and ready to catch some raccoons in action on the trail cam. This is I do like this. Tells me when I'm gonna get low. Look at that little window there, little back hatch. Okay, there we go. I like it. Quality material. You guys know when you go out and buy like a real tool. You got to go and rebuy it like 2 years later. If you buy something good, then you don't have to really buy it ever again. I like it. So if you guys want to check out any of the feeders we're using, either the corn feeder, which is a 400-pound corn feeder, or the 1,200-pound protein feeder, you guys can go to texashunter.com. I'll link them in the top of the description. I'd like to say thank you to them. They're, to be honest with you, they're pretty badass people. Texas Hunter.